class 10. In this period of mathematics, we shall start linear inequation of one variable. Before that, I want to say we have completed goods and service tax GST, and during the solution of that exercise you had asked few questions in the comment box, and I replied those questions. One more thing about GST, I don't have the new edition of your textbook, and in old edition GST was not added, so I taught this chapter from other book. You had asked a few questions. If you write those questions and send me to WhatsApp, I shall feel happy to reply those questions. And today let us start linear inequation. To understand linear inequation, first of all, we shall understand equation. What is an equation? An equation is an algebraic expression that equates to zero. Equation is the algebraic expression of one or more than one variable that equates to zero, such as we can say ax plus by equal to 0. Here is these two variables x and y. X square plus 2x plus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of one variable, and that variable is x. Here this algebraic equation is equal to 0, and this algebraic equation is also equal to 0, but it does not have an equation. Linear inequation, it means an algebraic expression of one variable that is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. For this, we take the example here of linear inequation. Ax plus 7 is greater than 0. We can say by plus 2 is less than 0. Or we can take one more example as a z plus 21 is greater than equal to 0, or 2l plus 2l minus 5 is less than equal to 0. I repeat the definition of linear inequation: an algebraic equation of one variable. Here is only one variable. In this equation, that variable is x. In this variable is y. In this variable is z. And in this variable is l. An algebraic expression of one variable that is greater than 0 or less than 0 or greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 0 is called linear inequation. The role of this chapter in the board examination: from this chapter you will be asked one question containing 3 marks, and one more thing, that it comes in compulsory section. You know, the question paper will be divided in 2 groups. Group A, that is the compulsory section. You are allowed to attempt all the questions. You are asked to attempt all the questions. This question of linear equation will come in compulsory section, and this is counted one of the easiest questions. Let us start exercise 1, question number 1. Question number 1 states that if x is smaller than equal to y, then mark each of the following sentences. This kind of sentences are given in the question as true or false. Question number A, minus x is greater than equal to minus y. For that we write, given that x is smaller than equal to y, we have to make it minus x and minus y. For that we multiply both sides by minus sign. As you multiply both sides by minus sign, or you divide both sides by minus sign, then rule says this symbol will be opposite. For that we write here minus x will be greater than and equal to minus y. What have we done? We write in the bracket multiplying, this is short form, multiplying both sides by minus 1. So this statement is true. Now in question number C, we have to check x by 3 is smaller than equal to y by 3. Is it true? For that again we start, given x is smaller than equal to y. From this given information we will get x by 3 and y by 3. To get x by 3 and y by 3, we divide both sides by 3 and we get x by 3, y by 3 What have you done to get these terms? You write in bracket dividing, divid, dividing both sides by 3. So we can get these terms from the given information. So this is true statement. Question number D. For this also we write given x is smaller and equal to y. For that, to get ax and ay, we multiply both sides by a. We multiply both sides by a, and this sign will reverse because a is less than 1. In bracket we write multiplying both sides by 1. Since a is negative, I wrote this statement due to this reason that to reverse this symbol, and in this way, as we multiply both sides by a negative number, negative integer, then this sign will change, will reverse, will be opposite. So this statement is true.